Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a problem involving importing a type definition for poolers in Python. The problem arises when trying to access the JoinStrategy type for use in our own code, but not knowing how to import it properly. This is a common issue that can occur when working with external libraries in their type definitions. Now, let's dive into the solution for our problem. The first step is to import the JoinStrategy type from poolers. We can achieve this by using the following code. From poolers _typing import JoinStrategy. This line of code allows us to access the necessary type definition for our project. Remember that the _typing module indicates that this is part of the pooler's private API, so it may be subject to change in future releases. Next, to further understand the JoinStrategy, we can print out its value in Python. By executing JoinStrategy in the Python interpreter, we get a list of available join strategies, including inner, left, right, full, semi, anti, cross, and outer. This information gives us a clear idea of the different join strategies available for us to use in our code. Expanding on that, we can also define the join strategy type explicitly in our code. By using import typing and then setting join strategy equals typing.Literal inner, left, right, full, semi, anti, cross, outer, we create a custom type definition that aligns with the available join strategies in poolers. This method ensures that we have a type-safe way of referencing join strategies in our project. In summary, by following the provided steps, you can successfully import and utilize the join strategy type from poolers in your Python code. This allows for a seamless integration of join strategies into your data manipulation workflows. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.